So I seen Mia Maples do this video where she got Siri to choose what makeup products she used. This seemed like a lot of fun and I'm bored, stuck inside, so here it is. Yeah, basically if you haven't seen this kind of video before, all you do is you say, hey Siri, Google, Alexa, whatever it is, and you say pick a number between 1 and 6 and I will label the 6 primers 1 to 6. And then whatever one she chooses I have to put on. So these are the 6 primers, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the Rimmel London Instant Fix and Go, so it's a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. We have the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. This is the new one I bought, so that'll be interesting. My usually go-to Express Hydration Primer. The Colour Correct Revolution Primer. The Simple Hydrating Booster. And the Revolution Pro Blur Stick, which is one of my all-time favourites. Roll a dice.
Rolling. It came up 3.
Yeah, that's fine. That's normal. Prime. So here are the foundations. We have the Dream Velvet from Maybelline, the Bourjois Healthy Mix, NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat, you can tell that's well used, the Fenty Beauty Matte version, L'Oreal 24 Hour Matte, and then the Revolution Conceal and Define. So let's see what foundation. Roll a dice.
Okay. 1.
1! It's the Dream Velvet foundation. I am getting lucky today, look at that. And what I'm putting on my hand. Shut up, I know. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Can't complain. Oh my god, so I am so happy. I actually found 6 concealers. I didn't think that was going to happen. NYX HD Studio concealer. We have the Barry M, Revolution, Healthy Mix from Bourjois. We have the Benefit one or the Collection. Okay, so let's see what concealer. Roll a dice.
It's 3 this time.
Yes. We have the Revolution Conceal and Define. Powders, Rimmel, Revolution, Max Factor. This is quite orange, not a fan. This is from Primark. It's actually really good and it's £2. Collection Sheer Powder or the Bourjois Healthy Mix Powder. So we have those. Roll a dice.
It's 2 this time.
2. Yes, my fave. I mean, okay, that's fine. My god, there's like hardly any left. I really need to buy myself. Look at that. Look at that riot. I'm ashamed. I'm so ashamed. Right, I'm gonna try and put some of this on my face, but it's like I want to buy a new one, but also I really don't see the point buying makeup right now. Like, I'm not using it all. Like, most days I'm like, I'm not getting out of pajamas. Not gonna lie. So we have 6 eyebrow pencils. This is the Gimme Brow from Benefit, and then we have the 24 Hour Brow Setter. So it's not got colour in it. I tried to make them quite different. Then I have 2 from Sephora, this one and this one. They're both slightly different ginger shades. I think one's waterproof, one's not. This is the NYX one, and then this is the Revolution Pro one. And they're all kind of like gingery brown that match me. Apart from that one's see-through. Roll a dice.
Rolling. It's 6.
Yes! I'm always getting on to 1. You see the difference? Like, it's not unnatural, but it kind of makes them in any shape, which I like. So next is blush. So we have Rockefeller, Gold Rush, Stormy from Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie from Kylie Cosmetics, Blushing Hearts, which I think is a Revolution one, and then we have L'Oreal Le Blush. Roll a dice.
Okay. 3. 3.
Nice. It's the Stormy blush. I'm not upset. Here are the bronzers. We have a old Topshop one, which is actually quite good. Bare Minerals, Revolution Skin Kiss. In here is the Hoola, obviously. This is it's another Revolution, but it's bronze, shimmer, and highlight. And then this is another newer Roll a dice.
It's 2.
2. Oh, that's okay. So it is the Bare Minerals. Not upset. Morphe X James Charles, which is huge and would give me every colour under the sun, basically. Then we have the Morphe X Jeffree Star. Some great colours in there. We obviously have the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson. Ta-da! Then we have the Little Stormy by Kylie. Also have the Tarteist Pro, which is pretty basic colours, to be honest. Not these. We have the Naked Honey palette, which is beautiful. Okay. Roll a dice.
4.
Yes. Oh, it's the Stormy one. It's cute and little. That's fine. It's not the one I wanted. I thought it was the Conspiracy one I'd got, but it's not. I don't know what to do. So there's only 9 colours in this, so I could technically roll the dice and be like, which one's the base, which one's like the crease, and that'd be really bad. That might look really bad. So I got this palette, and since it is so small, I'm gonna make the dice choose the decisions again. So I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we'll choose a colour to go on top. Whenever for this, I'm probably gonna get like a dark purple and then make myself look like a black eye because I'm not the most skilled at this. Right, okay. Roll a dice.
1.
Oh, thank God, it's pink. Thank God. So here's number 1, the pink. Come on, get on the brush. Let's just do this all over. It's just a pink. So remember, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see what is it going to be. I think it'll be like outer corner. Let's see what colour we go for. If it's number 1 again, I'm gonna roll again because I can't put pink on pink. That just makes no sense. Roll a dice.
1.
Roll a dice.
Rolling. It came up 4.
4. It's the dark purple that I didn't want. Okay. Do this little angled brush here that I've clearly used on this before. Oh, that's dark. Like, calm down. Okay, let's see. Right, I'll do another colour. I'm gonna regret this. Roll a dice.
Rolling. It came up 3.
Yeah, okay, that's a nice light peach that could work. See what happens. Okay, why is that really cute? Is it just me or is that kind of cute? I'm gonna go back over with the pink because I feel like I've lost it a little. Just to kind of blend it. It kind of works. Oh, that's cute. Not mad at all. Blend, 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 blend. We have this gold, purple, or the middle gold. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I'm just going to ask it to pick a number between 1 and 3 instead of a dice. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
It's 2.
2. What was that again? We're going for gold. I'm just going to put a little. It actually really complements that peachy colour I put on earlier. Oh, it's actually quite pretty. so surprised. Like, what? What? So on highlight, we have the Fenty Beauty Evolution Strobe, Benefit Dandelion, Bourgeois, then it's a Bourgeois other one, and then for the, so this pink is the same as this pink, so I'll go for this white if this Revolution palette is picked. So totally forgot about mascara, by the way, but I'm going to do highlight first and then I'll come back. Roll a dice.
Rolling. It's 3.
3. It's the Dandelion. Okay. Wear this highlighter. Literally can't use it. I could only find 5. I'm so annoyed at myself. This is the Roller Lash. The Thick and Fast Soap and Glory. I actually love this one. Into that one right now. They're Real. This is Doll Eyes. Then I've got the mini one, but this is a different. It is different. That one's Doll Eyes, and this one's called Volume Apporter. I don't know what that means. These are both from Lancome, but they are different. So it counts. Okay. Okay, let's just pray it doesn't say number 6. Roll a dice.
It's 3.
Yes, oh thank God it wasn't that. I was like, I'm not wearing mascara. Oh dear. So for lips, I really wanted to go for a range of colours. It's like a goldy, disgusting burn from Revolution. No offence if you like that colour, it's just not for me. We have the Shane Dawson, Are You Filming? Red from his collection. We have MAC Pink, and I mean pink. So that would be interesting. I think I want a more neutral look. This Jeffree Star is more of a purpley colour. See what I mean? I'm trying to go for different colours here. This is a nice kind of neutrally red. You can tell I use this one a lot. It is my all-time favourite. It's YSL. And then we have a nice kind of neutral Kylie lip kit. Roll a dice.
Rolling. It's 3.
Oh, it's like a huge bright pink. I was so lucky up until that point. Like, I was looking for a neutral. It's pink. Like, pink. Like, just the eyes and that is just like a lot. Okay, setting spray. Not that I want to keep this on for long, but... So I only have 3 setting sprays. We have the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go, the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist, and then we have the Max Factor Lasting Performance. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
It's 1.
It's 1. That is my face. I actually like the eyes. A nude lip would work better. The highlight, I don't even see it. Yeah. It's not what I'd go for. It's interesting. Anyway, that was it. That's me bored in quarantine. You're welcome. Bye.